Hey, I love this song. Turn it up, turn it up. Oh, thank you. The flood is coming soon, they say. Perhaps I should be scared. But I'm gonna be what I lost to see, and I'm not one bit prepared. 'Cause the flood is little more than a sprinkle to me. I know you'd say a normal man would be stressed out and fretting. I say, let us drink to the apocalypse until we're pissing Armageddon. Because the flood is the thing that will set the world free. Because the flood will wash away all the filth and debris. 'Cause with the flood, there's only one thing for sure life will see. All that will be left is me. That was fun. I say, let's try that again. I see rivers run the deepest red and lakes of hops and barley. I drank them up, yes, till they flow with the wallow, sick or barley. Yes, the flood is little more than a sprinkle to me. It really does not concern me. My obliteration's a daily chore. So when the flood starts, I just have to drink, and then I'll drink some more. Because the flood is the answer to all of my needs. Because the flood will wash away all the filth and debris. 'Cause with the flood, there's only one thing for sure I foresee. All that will be left is me. Okay, one more time. One more time. I could easily say it hasn't been this prosperous since the fall. It was blessed with two of each that creeps and crawls, the one to cook them all. Because the flood is going to be such a wild jubilee. Everyone's so frantic as the rain begins. I'm hard, but me, I'm in my element. I've been drowning since I was born. Because the flood is the way that God wants it to be. Because the flood will wash away all the filth and debris. 'Cause when the flood comes, there's only one thing for sure I